Hey, Coffin Girls, it's me again. I just wanted to do a quick little video. I'm gonna try to get on a Monday, Wednesday, Friday schedule. And so I wanted to do this one quick video since it's Monday and throw this up here. This is just a real quick, fun video of stone placement. It was a lot of fun to do. I love just playing around with this kind of stuff. The more stones you put, the more just little things like this that you do, the better you'll find yourself placing stones. And you kind of find patterns that work for you that you tend to repeat in other nail projects. But yeah, so here it is. It's super cute. I've been watching videos and I just keep seeing like just red everywhere, and I wanted to do just a super blinged out red nail. So here is my little version of a Cardi B style red blingy nail. So here you guys go and enjoy the video, guys.
Everything falls into place the minute you leave and give me space. I wanna know how it feels to live and let go without being put in my place. I'ma just dive right into the wild side, and I'ma ride the wave until I die. Until I die. My skin is cold, as is my heart. I'm falling apart with a smile. My bridges are burning.
If you guys love this stone placement, hit that like button. I want to see who all likes the stone placement. I always battle it out with how I place large stones, but this seems to work well for me, is just kind of doing the three and kind of a, I want to say like a pyramid pattern. But be sure and hit that like button if you like these, and comment and tell me what your favorite color of stone is.
I'm ready to fall. Will you catch? Dive right into the wild side, and I'ma ride the wave until I die. Until I die. Down to the ground, you're dragging me. It's constantly. No, I won't make a sound. I love the pain. It sets me free. It's wrong, I can't make right. I love the better below you said myself. But this is the last time. It's wrong, I can't make right. Slipping off in the moonlight when I knew the truth. I had myself for you. On the ground, I know the truth. I know the truth. Oh no. shaking now, 'cause you say those things, then shut me out. Got no clue what you have found. I'm a rose in thorns, but you cut me down. It's wrong, I can't think right. I love the bird below you, said myself that this is the last time. It's wrong, I can't make right. Slipping off in the moonlight when I knew the truth. I had myself for you. I know the truth. Butterflies fly with me tonight. These feelings inside. Butterflies fly with me tonight. I'm down to the ground. You're dragging me. It's constantly. No, I won't make a sound. I love the pain. It sets me free. It's wrong, I can't think right. I love the bird below you, said myself that this is the last time. It's wrong, I can't make right. Slipping off in the moonlight when I knew the truth. I had myself for you. On the ground, I know the truth. I know the truth. Oh no, I'm on the ground. I know the truth. I'm shaking now, 'cause you say those things, then shut me out. Got no clue what you have found. I'm a rose in thorns, but you cut me down. It's wrong, I can't think right. I love the bird below you, said myself that this is the last time. It's wrong, I can't make right. Slipping off in the moonlight when I knew the truth. I had myself for you. I know the truth. Oh no, say I make you nervous. A tragedy, I'm a beautiful disaster. A reckoning, you wonder how I got this way.
If you like this video, please hit like and hit that subscribe button. You know, every time that you guys subscribe to me, I get a better opportunity to provide more videos for you guys. Also, another little thing is, you know, I do have the Patreon set up as well, and I am actually gonna hopefully by the end of the month have my store up with some glitter mixes that I just love. So keep a lookout for that, and be sure and subscribe, guys, and like the video, and I will see you guys for the next video. Bye, guys. Oh, and happy Thanksgiving. I know Thanksgiving is coming up, and you know, I am gonna love having my family over and enjoying all of the, you know, festivities. So you guys have a wonderful Thanksgiving too. Bye, guys.
Redemption never came. I stopped asking for forgiveness.